Hi, my name is Miki Harris and I'm going to show you how I made an 1838 bustle. I'm going to show you how I sewed an 1838 bustle using the 1838 Workwoman's Guide for my 1830s dress. I hope you enjoy. A sturdy fabric, I'm using twill cotton fabric. Some cotton cording. And some cotton twill tape. At the far ends, on each side of the fabric, I sewed in the cording. On the other sides of the fabric, I folded it over 1/4 of an inch and top stitched it down. This is what it should look like when it is finished. On the folded side, I'm sewing in a stitch to make a channel to put in my bias tape. To make it easier to pull your twill tape through your channel, tie a safety pin to it. It's finished! I hope you love my bustle as much as I love sewing it. Please make sure to check out my other videos regarding this project and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye!